But yeah, definitely you want to reach out to us. Website, reifinancialgroup.com. That's reifinancialgroup.com. So we're REI Financial on Facebook and Instagram. So you can reach out, send us a message. But if you do want to see what you're qualified for, just go to reifinancialgroup.com, click on the Get Funded, answer a couple of questions, and you'll see whether or not you fall in the category. We'll look at your information. Devontae, schedule a call with Devontae, and he'll gladly sit down and kind of talk with you about where you stand. You want to talk quickly about what you do during that 10-minute meeting?
Yeah. So basically, I'm looking at is all the our the loans that we have available. We have each have qualifications that each person will have to meet. So I'm looking at those basic standard ones, and then once we figure out what those standard ones are, then hoping that the client to figure out what their options are based on where they are. So if they have a lot of traffic through their checking account, they have a lot of revenue moving, and they have a really good pool of customers, MCA may be a good thing for them. And then we can talk about what an MCA is, how MCA works, so they can make the best decision for them. That's what I'm here to do. And so then we look at other options. We may look at some credit card stacking and look at the benefits of that. We may look at a business line of credit, look at the benefits of that. And they already know which ones they could be a good candidate for. It's just talking about them figuring out which one they feel comfortable and most confident moving forward with. And then we'll go from there. We'll get the documentation together, have you applied, and get you approved as soon as possible.
All right.